Hello guys, it's a new day, and I'm here to show you another decentralized platform where you are guaranteed to be making passive income on daily basis. The name of this platform is Doiku. Doiku.com currently has more than 10 self-built mines and cooperative mines around the world. The world's leading one-stop blockchain computing power ecosystem Doiku.com mining integrates 19 countries and regions around the world, and has more than 1 million mining machines. In December 2020, Tron's miners earned nearly $1 billion, making it a legal and compliant company with integrity. You can invest with confidence. The following is the process you need to know so you can start making money with this wonderful platform. Create a new account. First, get the TronLink, MetaMask or Trust Wallet app from the official site of TronLink, MetaMask or Trust Wallet. Create your Tron, TRC20, wallet on any of the platforms, and then connect your wallet to our website to get started. Add your Tron to the expanding digital asset collections on the blockchain by minting them on our marketplace. The sky's the limit. As you can see, I already has a TronLink web extension integrated with my browser already, so I'll just proceed to link it with my Doiku account. After that, go to this claim button and click on the receive. It'll automatically redirect you to their browser. This is the same process if you are using your mobile phone. Click on connect and choose the metadata and then sign in. Go back to the normal page and click on the receive button once again. It'll redirect you to the application once again if it's not successfully connected. Make sure you're successfully connected in order to start making money with this platform. Once it's successful, the button will change from claim Tron to the amount of the USDT you put. In this case, you'll see 10 USDT. Moving forward, you'll see your mining pool, your user output and some information about your account. Scrolling down, you'll also see the help center in case you experience any challenge along the way. You'll also see some of the vital frequently asked questions, which will be a guide for you using this mining platform, so you have everything you need there. Keep mining. Tron 200 million USDT reward. 1. The main purpose of liquidity mining is to obtain users and traffic to increase the liquidity of tokens. The people who participated in the mining provided liquidity and brought heat to the market. Every day they used USDT to support Tron for trading and mining, and they also received rewards from the Tron chain. 2. You can participate if you have USDT in your wallet. Daily interest rules are as follows. 1029.99 USDT daily 2.5% to 5%. 3,004.9999 USDT daily 3%. 50,009.9999 USDT daily 4%. 100,004.9999 USDT daily 5%. 500,009.999999 USDT daily 6%. 3. No need to transfer currency. You can participate if you have USDT in your wallet. 0 investment, 0 risk. For the final interpretation right belongs to Tron. Minimum deposit requirement is at least 1 USDT and 10 TRX. By analogy, the higher the accumulated recharge amount, the higher the rate of return and the higher the withdrawal. This is a long-term stable income. Looking forward to your joining. And surely you'd want to withdraw your income. To withdraw your earnings, visit the withdrawal page and click withdraw. Select an account and enter the amount you want to withdraw. The minimum withdrawal limit is 1 USDT. Your withdrawal address of the digital wallet you want to withdraw to is connected automatically, so there's no need to connect again. Now click confirm and your withdrawal request will submitted, and you will receive it within minutes if you have the minimum withdrawal limit. At Doiku.com, you can earn money by recommending your friends. You can make money without your investment. You can rest assured that we will give you the best referral commission. When you refer a friend, they will sign up through your referral sign-up link, and you will earn a nice commission. To invite friends, click the share icon shown. Copy the referral link and share with your friends. Enjoy unlimited commissions without investing. This platform offers people a huge opportunity to make money. Please find the unique website, www.doiku.com, join our USDT mining platform, and you will become the next multi-millionaire.